Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. Unfortunately, Bitcoin broke that major channel that we've been in for a long time between 68,500 and 31,600. I actually called it 2 days ago saying that the markets are going to be dropping, and I gave a big warning video. I'll show you that in the video coming up. Hopefully you listen. Bitcoin dropped, all coins got destroyed. And in my opinion, this is going to start a cascade effect of panic. And I don't think it's going to get better. I'm here in beautiful Address Skyview. It's amazing apartment buildings. In this video we're gonna jump into there's the Burj. In this video we're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to the markets, what I think this drop means, my trades that I would open, altcoins that I'm actually closing altcoins here. I think Bitcoin can maybe drop a little bit more. Worst case scenario, 19,000. Thank you very much. But altcoins can drop much further, which is very worrying. So I'm going to show you that in the video. Hit subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And don't forget, every video, if you comment down below, my team's going to pick 5 winners, $200 each, giving away $1,000 a month, which is going to help people in this bear market, in the destruction. I'm going to also look at stocks in this video because there was a lot of requests for this. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. And you can see here on the 4-hourly, we broke that channel yesterday. Huge drop overnight, and just the last 2 days, just massive drops. We were channeling for 2 months within this channel between 28,500 and the 30,600, moving sideways for a very long time, but we broke that channel. Now we're sitting right on this major support area here. You can see this green line. This is a support area that goes back years, 27,596. If we zoom out, you can see that this is a major area of support, this red line where we're sitting right now. But most likely it's going to break, and unfortunately it looks like Slavic is going to win the bet for $1,000. If you watch the videos with him, I had a bet that I don't think Bitcoin would break below that 26,500, but the market conditions right now are looking terrible, and I think I'm going to actually lose that $1,000 bet with Slavic. It cost me a lot more than $1,000, but this is what happens. You can't always be right. The channel broke. The target, I think here we're holding on, but it's not getting a really big bounce. The next major support area to be buying for a bounce is 26,530. That area that was the previous low when Luna crashed back in May 10th. So if we can get we're going to most likely get a bounce there, and that's where I would open a long here. On that area, because it will be a strong bounce, and that's where we can just have a short-term long, but that will then fade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to long here for a bounce, sell it at that resistance, and then most likely I think Bitcoin is going to be falling down to the 23,400 is the next area of support, and then 19,000 very likely for Bitcoin. So just keep that in mind. We could possibly get a double bottom here. It is possible at 26,500. If we get a double bottom, that could be the end of all of this, and we could start moving up. That's unlikely in my opinion. Stochastic is very oversold though on the daily. On the RSI, it's got more to drop. Squeeze mob is still going. It's going towards the red, and it's just beginning on the daily. On the weekly, Stochastic very oversold. One of the most oversold. RSI as well. And if you go on the monthly, we're oversold like crazy on the Stochastic. It's never been so oversold actually. Even in 2000, it's all like the same as the 2017 drop. So on the 4-hourly, I think we're going to fall further. It hasn't stopped. It's trying to hold on here, but there's a lot of panic right now, and I think that's going to create a cascade. We're way below the EMA ribbons though. VPVR, there's not much support down here. You can see that the support was at the 30k. Crypto Guru bot still showing a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy, but it failed a few hours ago. And on the hourly, Stochastic squeeze mob is going towards the green. RSI is trying to turn to head up, and Stochastic is trying to turn to head up as well. But I wouldn't be going long here. I think it's just making this similar pattern. It's a bear flag, and it's just been bear flagging over and over, and we're creating the flag now. The pull will take us to 26,500. So I'd actually short Bitcoin here with a tight stop loss, but shorting it here, yeah, I would actually short Bitcoin here with a tight stop loss just above this daily support. So I'm going to show you how to trade. You can still make money even in bear markets, and this was me calling the drop 2 days ago, more than 2 days ago. Not looking good. It's trying to hold on to this support lines. You're seeing it is trying to hold on, but it does look like it's gonna break to the downside. Oh shit, looks like the whole altcoin market is going to break on the 4-hourly. Also on the 4-hourly turning down, also on the daily turning down. Look at that on the stochastic and the squeeze mob RSI. You can learn this all in the crypto course. So it looks like we're going to break to the downside across all crypto markets. Not so nice. Bitcoin is going to break it. That was 2 days ago, and then that's what happened. We dropped pretty strong from there. So I'd actually be opening a short here. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and the pinned comment down below, which you'll see down below in the description and pinned comment here, underneath the video, you'll see the link to Bitcoin trading competition. There's an $8 million prize pool, and that's where I trade over on ByBit. Make sure you sign up. It's free to sign up. Join our trading team. You can see this is our trading team. It's the Crypto Guru trading team. There's 6 million USD prize pool, popular leaderboards, early squad member rewards, and you can see there's now, the current pool is $1 million. There's 13,000 people that have now joined, and you can see these are the different squads. There's quite a lot of squads that are joining. They have 93 members, the Artmax. Our squad, there's these squads, 29 squad members in Korea. Make sure you join my squad. It's just starting, and you can see the Crypto Gurus. There's I think 10 of us have joined already since yesterday. Make sure you join. You can scan this QR code. You can pause the video and scan it right now, or you can go down in the description and the pinned comment, click on that link to that ByBit trading competition, sign up. And if you signed up with any other ByBit link or any other account, make sure you create a new account and use this link. You also get a $4,800 bonus, and you join my squad. You can make sure to take the crypto master course so you know what you're doing before. Our goal is to buy the bounces. NordVPN if you have any restrictions, and take the you can follow my live trades, and that's where we're going to be in that trading competition. Again, there's an $8 million prize pool, so make sure you join the squad. It's going to be epic. Our goal is to try and win it. The squad leader registration phase starts on June 10th till June 27th. So make sure you register, because now the squad is open. Join us and let's win this $8 million prize pool, which is going to be epic. It's a trading pool on ByBit. So over on ByBit, I would actually be going, I would short Bitcoin here. So I'd open a short on ByBit. I don't have any trades open on ByBit, and I closed a lot of my altcoin positions. If you followed my video yesterday, I closed a lot of positions, and if you followed my live trades, I have $182,000 in this account. Took a bit of a hit. It's 110,000 USDT, 49,000 BUSD, 10,000 of Bitcoin. I closed a lot of Bitcoin positions. Bit, I closed a lot of Bit positions. If you follow my trades, quite a little bit after the drop on Bit. So it's nearly all USDT. I have 160,000 in US dollars, and I have no trades. My long position on Bitcoin that bounced on the bottom of the channel failed. That channel broke and it's hit my stop loss. I lost like $400 on that trade, but that's expected. You can't win everything, especially when I did expect that channel to hold. It's been holding for a few months, but then it broke to the downside, so it's unfortunate. Now I would actually be shorting Bitcoin to 26,500 and then buying the bounce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a short now to target this 26,500, and then most likely I'm going to go long here for a bounce back up and make money on the down movement and make money on the bounce, and then short again to have that big drop. That's what I think is going to happen. So I'm going to open a short now on Bitcoin. My stop loss will just be above this. The stop loss will be above this bounce, and the take profit at the bottom of that short. It's a 3-ratio trade. I'm risking $298 to make $900 every Bitcoin. So if I use 10x leverage, that'll be $9,000 profits. 100x leverage, $90,000 profits. So I'm opening the short at 27,400. We make money also on the drops. So I'm going to do a $1,000 short at the current price. I'm going to be shorting it. So current price, $1,000 short. My take profit will be at 26,539. 26,539. You're seeing the trade setup. I'm literally setting it right now live in ByBit, and the stop loss will be at 27,700, just above that bounce. 27,700. No, that's the take profit. 26,543, 543, and the stop loss at 27,750, 27,750. So I'm risking $51 to make every $51 to make $163. Confirm that trade is now set. It's $1,000 trade with, I think it's a 5. Let's do a 10x because it's got a very tight stop loss. So I'm going to do a 10x short. So it'll be a $10,000 trade, open short, 27,467. Oh, it actually dropped since I said this. It's already dropped like $50. Let's see if it can actually execute. 2467, 27,467. It dropped around $50 Bitcoin. That trade is set though. That's the short that I'm opening. So my target is that. So I'm opening it now, 27,400. Take profit at 26,500, and then stop loss at 27,000. So what's going to happen when it goes stop loss? If it goes here, it'll close the trade, and I'll lose a little bit of money. If it comes down here, I'll make that money, and then when it gets here, I'm going to close. It's automatically going to take profits, and then I'm going to open a bounce to go long on the bounce before then shorting again. That's my trade setup for Bitcoin, and that trade is now set over on ByBit. Over on Binance, I also closed a lot of positions. If you followed my live trades, the join button down below, I've got $319,000 in here. I've got 185,000 USDT, 101,000 BUSD, so around 285,000 in US dollars. Bitcoin, I've got 1 Bitcoin. I had 2.5 Bitcoin. I closed 1.5 Bitcoin. BNB, I had $67,000 worth of BNB. I closed BNB because it's not recovering. Before the drop, a little bit, some of it before the drop. Again, if you want to trade, join our squad, the Crypto Gurus on ByBit. Let's win this competition. Our goal for this competition is to make very tight stop loss and take shorts on Bitcoin. Anytime there's a recovery bounce, then longing 26,000, and let's win this $8 million prize pool. Anyone can join. The link is down below to ByBit. $8 million prize pool. You also get a $4,800 bonus, and join my squad. Let's win this WSOT over on ByBit. It's one of the biggest trading competitions, which is going to be beautiful. Yeah, that's what I think is happening in the market. This was my tweet. You can also follow me on Twitter. 22 hours ago, crypto markets, or more than a day ago, sitting on the edge. This was a day ago I gave this warning. And today, crypto nearing 1 trillion from 3 trillion, $2 trillion gone from the markets. I expect an 800 billion market cap. So another, in my opinion, 200 billion to drop more. Your analysis on Ethereum was so correct. You're really the best in what you are doing. Thank you, James. I already made money following your advice, getting closer to my goal of retiring, spending time with my wife and newborn. Vincent won the 200 USD. So those are my thoughts on the markets, everyone. I'll make an updated video, next video on Ethereum as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you all for watching. Comment down below, 5 winners every month. This is James, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.